Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are staying home and staying safe. Today I'm taking part in the Stash or Trash to Treasure challenge hosted by Mom from Momdas Life Handmade and Lori from Lori Blye DIY. So without further ado, let's get started. For this DIY, I've decided to recycle this empty pen jar. It came with 25 pens and I'm going to remove the sticker, and I'm thinking of wrapping this twine on the top and using this doilies, paper doilies, and I'm thinking of doing a layered effect on this. Let's see how it goes. The first step is removing the sticker, and I think it's going to take some time. Probably going to have to soak it in some warm soapy water and do it. And let's see how it goes. I tried scrubbing but couldn't get the entire label off. The sticky residue is still there. So I'm just going to leave it and continue with the rest of the DIY. Let's hope it works out. I have wrapped the twine on top. Now I'm going to cut these doilies into halves and cover this. I have layered the doilies, and I'm planning to do the same thing throughout this. This is as far as I got, and it's not going according to plan, so as an alternative way I'm going to use this pretty wrapping paper. I think it was 10 rupees per sheet. I'm going to use this to cover this bottle. I'm laying the bottle on top of the paper, and I'm going to just roll it over, and the sticky part of this bottle is actually going to help hold the paper together, and I will attach some Fevicol too. I'm done rolling. I'm going to cut off the excess. To cover the bottom part, I've cut these cross slits on this paper. I'm going to stick them and then probably cut a small round to cover the base. Now I'm taking this empty soap box. I'm going to make it into a tag. Now that I've cut the full box, I'm going to attach this side strip and a top strip and make it into a tabletop stand. I've made it into a 3-fold stand, a tent. Now I'm going to cover this part with the white A4 paper. Now that I've covered it with the A4 paper, it's a blank canvas. I want to write a quote on it that says, "Prayer is the key by day, the lock at night." Since it's too stark a white, I'm going to give it some color. I'm going to use some watercolors. You can give it any color according to your liking or according to your color scheme. And since I used a sketch pen to write on it, the watercolor actually made the sketch pen bleed. So not to worry, it is double-sided. You can actually use this as a nice inspirational desktop decor, and you can have 2 inspirational quotes on each side. So on the other side I've just done the painting, and I'm going to let it dry and then try to reattempt the writing. And as you can see, even though the paint has dried, the sketch is still bleeding through. So I'm going to try to save it by taking this doily that I first tried to use, removing the center part from the design. I'm going to attach it here, and let's try it again. And this time I'm going to write it with a ballpoint pen. I'm actually liking this design. I think it adds another design element to the stand. And that's it. My stash or trash to treasure makeover is ready. I like this vase. This print goes well with this twine. And this table sign is motivating and encouraging. Prayer is the key at day and lock at night. I've also tried to save the back part by adding another half of the doily and painting over it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this video. Hope you like this. Please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you Mom and Lori for this lovely challenge. Please be sure to check out their channels and the playlist in the description box. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye bye. Smile Jesus loves you.